Yo, what's good, guys? How's everybody doing? All right, we're good to go. Got everything set up. Let's do it. Let's do it. Good afternoon from Thailand. This is what channel? Nice. Love that. How are we doing, guys? We're doing good. Yeah, Sebastian. It's 11:30 here. Norway. Nice. Do you play any versions? I haven't traded tonight. I took one trade tonight, actually. But that's about it. That's about it. So we'll be trading. We'll be trading our accounts from Tradeify. We got equal highs at Asia highs up here. We have NFP tomorrow, so keep in mind, we'll see how much we trade because we have NFP. We don't want to get caught up in NFP price action, right? Or pre-FM or NFP price action. So currently, we have a pretty decent sweep of these lows down here, right? And now we're kind of moving higher. So potentially can use this 5-minute gap here for actually a long, for a continuation move up. So I want to see how this gap reacts. And then we have a lot of low resistance liquidity, so maybe we could catch a move into these highs up here. Greetings from Hong Kong, nice. And we'll be trading our Tradeify accounts. So Tradeify accounts, right? Day 2. This is technically day 3. We are currently 2 for 2 on them. Hold up, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys 1 second. This is how we're looking on our Tradeify accounts. I think I did 1,700 and 1,500, so we're good. So far, so good on this. We need around 9,000 for payout, and currently we're about almost 10K on each on the accounts together. So 3K each. Pretty solid numbers there. And we'll continue trading this tonight. You're looking along this. I'm just waiting to see the reactions. We have London open here soon. And I want to see these highs here continue. We have a lot of low resistance built up, so I want to see how price reacts to this OB and stuff. In London session, I do size down, but I've been trading about 1 mini on them. So 10 micros each. In this case, I'm doing 5 tonight. Or I have 1 micro, 1 mini each on this too. But going into the session, I'll go and trade micros 5. I tried to take a short here, but obviously we reversed. So I got to stop down in profits a little bit. It's a funded account, yes. Funded account. It's the straight to funded. So this is not an eval, this is a funded. So we'll trade 15 micros tonight on these. And then for New York, we'll trade obviously 10 micros on each account. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, MNQ. Micros. We'll trade micros. Are you live every London session? Only live 3 times a week on London, and the rest of it is in the Discord for New York streams and things like that. I think I would say Top Step is the best for lowest price versus good rules. Please do London 5 times a week. We'll see. If I do, here's the thing. I do London 5 times a week. That means because after this, right? So let's just say for today, for example, it's currently 11:30 for me. Let's say I stream for an hour, right? Let's say I stream for an hour. that's gonna take me to 12:31. I just can't fall asleep after the stream. I need like time to wind down. It takes like an hour to wind down. It's already gonna be like 2. And then we have NFP at 5:30 for me, right? So I'm gonna be right up again. So 5 is just very hard for me to do because I do need some sleep. Are you gonna meet me again? Oh my god, Mick! Yesterday you were spamming, bro. I am from California. You don't have a trial for your Discord? No, we do not have a trial. Your trial is the London session streams here, and then Brian does free PM streams. So that is quote unquote the trial. Dorian, what's good, baby? Seattle, nice. What days are YouTube stream? Brian does New York PM every day. I post my schedule in the Discord every Sunday, so you guys could join the Discord in the free section. I'll post the schedules. Powell speaks at Open tomorrow? Damn. Mick, I wasn't even in a trade, and you were telling me why you're in the trade or something. I wasn't even in anything. Does Brian live stream Asia or only commentary? Only commentary. But he posts in his channel. What's good? What's good? I love seeing you in here. What's the time split between AZ and CA? I have no idea. You guys gonna switch to members only streams at some point? Probably not PM session, but maybe New York, or not PM New York, but maybe London. Currently we have our AM streams are in the Discord, and obviously all of my alerts are in the Discord, right? And then we have Brian does the free side. So the Discord is more than just, I guess, the streams, because it's a very good community as well, and we have other topics and things to discuss, which makes it worth it. And you guys get more streams. Like, I did 3 New York AM streams. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. I've been getting absolutely destroyed in our AM trades this week so far. I'm on a 3 AM losing streak. It's been so difficult for me to catch an AM trade. Today we took a short, we got stopped out, and then it dumped like 300 points. I don't trade Blue Guardian. AIM has been hard, yeah. Yeah, we have Lantos alerts in it too. Yep. West Coast Zone is the worst. I don't like it. So currently I have Top Step, Apex, and Tradeify, and FFF. Yo, yeah, that Knicks Laker game was crazy. 11 p.m. is German candle. London moves decently. MST this year, I feel like it's been moving way better than normal, so I'm kind of up for it. Hey, your initial idea worked out. How we climbed all the way to 50% of the 4-hour gap. I think honestly, what's good? I need to like turn off DMs because oh my goodness, those guys are something else. But if you look at what we have for this candle, see what doesn't gap. We had this 4-hour candle here, reject the fair value gap, and then if you guys know my time frame alignment, 4-hour fair value gap, 15-minute inversion down here. I know a lot of people took this, which is good, into our previous day low, right? We had equal lows at previous day low. So that's a solid like 140 points right there. What's the daily loss limit? It's 3,750, and then your overall drawdown is 5K, and then it goes, yeah. So must be hard for you to wake up. I mean, I don't go to sleep. It's 11:40 for me since I'm in the West Coast. No, you can't pay with crypto. Sorry. Does Apex allow hedging when trading news? I don't know. I don't think so. The only thing I would trade with Apex News is like what is it called? I would trade just evals. No, I'm not in a trade. My personal loss limit honestly is like a 1-to-1 on the Tradify accounts. It's like I try to go for $1,500 a day and I'll risk $1,500. Frosty. What's your size on 50Ks? I don't trade 50Ks, but I mean, was like a 2K loss limit? I'll trade like 10 micros max. Yeah, eval you can do it. Okay, so AZ is about one hour ahead of Cali. Look, sizing up is earned, not given. So if something that's something you gotta base off your previous performances. How much money did you risk? The first trade I risked 1,000, I made 1,700. The second trade I risked 1,200, I made 1,500. I have Apex accounts I'm working on, but I'm not posting those yet on social media until I'm there at payout because I need to really lock in with that firm and not let anything kind of distract me. It's my worst performing firm in terms of how much I spent versus how much I made. I'm like break even or slightly red on Apex. Everyone knows this. I just struggle with the trailing drawdown. I post it once I'm above the buffer. $50K on Apex. Honestly though, I might buy some 300Ks and just full port them for NFP tomorrow. Evals. I mean intraday trailing. My fault. Intraday trailing. MB is 5 micros. I'm gonna trade 5 micros tonight. 5 micros. Trailing is so cheeky. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. But you just gotta size down. That's really all it comes down to. Just sizing down. How do you guys do so far this week? I feel like it's been kind of like the draw on liquidity was clear, but I feel like the setups towards that area, it's like a lot of time distortment, in my opinion. I think PM session's been a little bit cleaner. Hopefully, we just get like a nice data wick or low tomorrow, and then a higher low, and then we just can take a trade up to that. Pass my first evo, nice. Do you trade Saturday? How do I trade Saturday? Is there a DLC stock market? When are you gonna sleep? I'm not gonna sleep tonight. So tonight I'm just gonna stay up all the way to. So I'll sleep tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern. Uh, Dave, it's been good on some accounts, but my top steps have been getting pretty melted. I feel like all my losses this week have been on my top step accounts, so just trying to live on those. So currently between some gaps, so we're gonna have to wait and see how price respects which one it respects. I honestly want to see some upside tomorrow, but obviously we would not have, you know, we haven't been moving high. Yeah, so fun fact, I've never met Brian in real life, but I've met Lanto around 3-4 times. Me and Lanto had a few vacations together. Oh, it's still Thursday for me technically, but yeah, Friday. I'm just waiting to see how these gaps react. We're kind of in a 15 minute and a 5 minute. I just want to see how this reacts. Currently respecting both sides, so we're gonna have to wait for this to clear a little bit. We got our open in about 13 minutes, so that should bring us good volatility. Hung, no, I have not. No, Dorian, I'm not in anything. Yeah, I hit New York and London. Never. Yeah, me and Brian and Lent are planning a cruise. We just don't know. We just gotta figure out the days. At PW tier. Oh my god. Man, PW man. If I take this long, I think I'm gonna take it on ES instead of NQ. What is it? MES? Oh, what the heck is this? Guys, what's it? 5 points on ES per micro. So how many micros should we do? Like three? Three each account? No, we should do. What's half a mini on this? Five each. 5 times 3, so 15. Yeah, we'll do 15. No, 25. Am I dumb? What is it? A mini's 50, so it'll be 20. Oh, I can't do that. I'll do 4 micros. Actually, yeah, 15 is fine. I was trying to figure out the risk here. Like 15 should be good. But yeah, I'm down to take this long, guys. Here. But I need to wait for this 15-minute close first. We need to wait for the 15-minute candle here. We still have 9 minutes on it, so it'll be right before I open. If it runs before, it is what it is. I want to wait for the 15-minute. Appreciate you guys for being on as always. Because we're rejecting this 15-minute gap here, I don't want to front run it. Like, yeah, the 5-minute already closed, but I'd rather just wait it out to be safe. Make sure you guys drop a like on the stream if you guys enjoy the London streams, by the way. Good morning, Marcelo. Let me close by the hourly? Yep, exactly. So this hourly will violate this OB here, and then I want to see this high get pushed. Got nothing to do to my accounts get migrated to live. I feel that, bro. I know Brian was waiting for a Tradify live for like 3 months. They finally rolled that out. Honestly, guys, I think Tradify is probably the easiest account to get payouts on. The profit target and drawdown is very nice. And the 20% consistency makes you size down, so you don't, no point in going super aggressive. TBC easier, no consistency. Yeah, but they have intraday trailing drawdown for our funded accounts. So it's good, and obviously once you get past the buffer, it's really easy. But intraday trailing is still very difficult. Yeah, I never tried Blue Sky. Honestly, I haven't even looked into it. There's like so many firms these days. Once you funded. Yeah, but I mean, they have daily payouts, so it has to be something like Yeah, we're waiting for that 15-minute. David, I have no idea, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't know, man. Is it worth buying? Yeah, FTMO is good. No, I'm not. I'm not in the trade yet, guys. I'm waiting for this 15-minute close. It doesn't look like NQ is gonna inverse this. The only thing I don't like about TPT is 5 days to funded. I feel like everyone else in the industry is so quick versus that. All right, how many of you guys are sending evals tomorrow for NFP? That's the real question. Who's maxing out the credit card tomorrow? What? NFP, non-farm payroll. My wife's boyfriend. Malson, no. There you go. What's good? That's the way, bro. That's the way. If you're not maxing out your credit cards, you're not trying. This 15-minute doesn't look. Looks whatever. Slight SMT right at the top. Would ideally like to see this go away. Yeah, 1 minute left on this 15-minute. Let's see. Apex is. I'm gonna do Apex. Other than Apex, I have no idea. There's not a lot of other 1-day pass accounts, guys. I mean, I haven't even seen the Tradeify's other offers. I'm not gonna lie. I've only looked at the straight to funded. Oh yeah, FFF is 1-day pass. Yeah. But I mean, they're not as reputable, I guess. I mean, they are, but stick to the big 3 or 4. All right, it looks like we're gonna get an inversion here on ES, but not NQ. I don't really like this 15-minute close too much. If you guys can see, NQ is still within this gap, but we'll see. Yeah, Bullline has like an activation fee, I think, right? Yeah. This is why I don't want to front run it, guys, because there's still nothing really happening. Damn, 5-day pass is crazy work. Hit your box and reject it. Bye. My goodness, dude. Alright, I'm fine with taking an entry out this low minute closure. I just want to see this slight SMT go away and it'll be good to go. I will enter on here, guys, when I'm in. Patience. Yeah, Andre, I'm looking for that London or Asia high. I mean, it's just like kind of consolidating right now. NQ still has that 15-minute. I will take it on ES though. ES looks a little bit stronger, but just waiting. 300 degens at 3 a.m. is funny. Literally. I gotta look into some of these other firms as well. I'm just so used to trading like the main ones, you know. Has anyone tried myfundedfutures direct to live account thingies? I've yet to try them, but I'm wondering if any of you guys have. Yeah, FFF is still 1 day pass for tomorrow. Only expert, yeah. Unfortunately, I've been in live with them 2 times and I can't trade anything else besides starters. No, I'm still waiting. I'm waiting. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. I want to see a new high and then thoughts on Lakers 8-game win streak. We're winning it all, bro. Today was a really good game. Fought from behind. What's the RR on this? About a 1-1. I'm fine with that. I'll enter off this candle close. Oh, can't see the right side of the chart for levels. I'm about to enter this off this here. tapping into a new 15-minute, but we have some highs up here. I want to see if this get ran through. We're risking $250 on this trade, so not risking much. You got moved to live twice? Yeah, I did, because 55 is the stop. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I got moved to live twice. Here, let me put ES on the left side and I'll put NQ on the right side. Does that help out? Yes, I entered, guys. My stop is at 55. I'll just mark the stop down here. Keeping size extra small today for London because we have NFP in the morning. Go for those Asia highs. So risking 5 micro on this. It's a pretty bad 1 minute close, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is not a high probability 1 minute close. We need to stay above 58, above this wick right here. If we stay above the wick, we're fine. If we go under this wick, that's when it gets a little bit, trouble. I'm about 2 points down right now. That's my entry up there. Wait for I like to use the 5 and 15 minute for London just because it's a little bit slower, or a little bit less probability on the one. You take TP1 before Asia high. I'll move my break even as we move higher, but not. My full TP is gonna be Asia high. I want to see a continuation on the 15 minute, but there is no continuation at all for either. This could be a possible front run, which would be on my on NQ, but ES had a nice close, so I was fine with taking it. I was a pretty strong hourly close too on ES and NQ. But man, longing in this environment seems kind of impossible lately. This might take a while. Our last few London trades, we had to like finish it off stream because we were just sitting in the trades for so long. That's usually what happens though. All right, what's your guys' favorite session to trade? London, New York AM, or London or New York PM? I feel like this week was definitely a like, not even like a PM trade. It was more like a lunch. It's been kind of like lunch moves. Then your last London trade gets stopped out immediately. We've been pretty successful during London stream. I think we had one red day on my London stream. I honestly don't remember. What was that, 2 days ago? I could pull the stream. I have no idea. First macro at lunch, but you still in? Yes. Why do you and Brian partner up? Making hella bread, G. It's just something that we thought would be good for both of us. London, less risk. Yeah, the days where London really moves is so good, but obviously today I went smaller risk because it's before NFP. Yeah, it definitely takes some time during these sessions, so I'm not really worried. Yeah, I don't use the 1 minute at all during New York. Or like, if New York's really moving, I will, but majority of the time it's 5 and 15 minutes. But I get the 15-minute close here. I want to see this. I get our 15-minute closure here. All right, it's gonna take a while to play out. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna grab some water. BRB. All right, I'm back. If you guys are just joining in, we're currently in some longs on some micros. Price has been pretty choppy, so yeah. We really have some stacked highs here. Leto! What is bro doing awake? Me and Lance were chopping it up a little bit early about the Laker game because he's a Knicks fan. Yeah, if you're new to trading London session, you guys gotta understand it's very slow compared to New York, so it takes a little bit more patience, obviously. I actually slept a lot today. I went to sleep from 1 to like 8. I'm not even lying. 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. After a New York session, I was done. I only do like really all nighters when I'm trading London session or like when I'm doing lives for London session. Do you have rules when not to trade London? I mean, if my setup's there, I'll trade it. If it's obviously very like, if we're not moving at all, if we're just like barcoding, then I'd avoid. But I'm always sizes lower. But in this case, I'm even size even a little bit lower just because it's NFP tomorrow. It's very very slow, guys. I don't really look at the 1 minute too much here in London. That's why it's not something that's. It's just something I don't really look at. About 40 minutes into the stream so far. Not really much going on. Do you trade 1 minute in New York? Yeah, I love the 1 minute. Most of my entries come off the 1 minute chart. Do you what time? I'm guessing what time frame. You think? I'll just put the stops at like previous lows and highs of previously tapped into fair value gaps or order blocks. Do you go lower than 1 minute? I rarely use a 30 seconds, but I will sometimes like I'll say one every like 30 trades, 40 trades might be like 30 seconds, but not too often. might be a quicker London stream. I'm not gonna lie. We are very choppy right now, and also it's not really much. Like I said, not much happening. We have NFP 8:30 Eastern. I might have to change my style for London because usually I go for like external targets like Asia highs and lows, but when we don't move, we might have to just start scalping a little bit. It's like the trades. That's like a small adjustment. I feel like the last like 3-4 trades on London, we have to like. I only do London for like an hour to hour 30 because I don't want to be on for too long. It's been where we have to like kind of get out of the trade, or not get out of the trade, but stop the stream and then continue the trade. You know, kind of manage on your own. Yes, I'm in. If you're just joining the stream, I am in ES longs with the stop I have placed right there on the screen. Like I said, this is a slower price section, so there's something we gotta wait. There's nothing we could do. Usually I do face cam too if you guys are new, but today I just have it off because for some reason the last stream when I put my face cam on it was really laggy. Trading for NFP, it's alright. The size is we have a small size. It's nothing crazy. It's 5 micros on ES. No, maybe not NQ. I'm risking pretty much the profits I had from tonight. A little bit more. I was up like 115 per account. My stop set around 250k or 250 per account. How long did it take you to become profitable? 8 months. I mean, I could literally just. If this really does help you guys. It helps the traders. So 1-to-1. SMG. Yeah, I mean, look, I don't touch my trades while I'm in it. Whatever happens, happens. I have my stop. I have my take profit. It's not the end of the world. For the session itself, it's like there's no really trend, but overall, the higher time frame, yes. We'll get those Asia highs. Those Asia highs are going to get ran. Just because the risk is a little bit less, David, on ES. I could have sized down on NQ, but it's fine. This 15-minute close here is about to happen in 2 minutes. I mean, it's not obviously a good close for the uptrend continuation. Look at the 1 minute. I don't even know how the 1 minute's looking like. The 1 minute's just been kind of chopping, so. Gotta wait this out. I gotta buy so many Apex evals tomorrow, guys, to send for NFP. I have my PAs, but I want to get backups as well. NFPD, he's a good kid. Oh my god, guys, cut me some slack. It just turned Friday. Holy shit. Dude, my goodness. Put two and two together, please. God, dude. It literally just turned Friday for me, that's why. Friday, 8 Eastern. There you go. 8:30 Eastern. Is that better? Cade, oh my god, I was about to crash out right now. Then I saw it was you. Oh my god, dude. This guy. Dude, I thought NFP was on fucking Sunday, dude. What the fuck? It's tomorrow? It's today? It's in 2 days? What? Guys, this is my entry. Look, right here. Okay, stop at 54. Billionaire, but you're funny. Okay, just short the bottom, bro. You're gonna go. It's gonna go lower. Just chopping 70. I was saying I entered isn't enough. I need someone to pull the script. I feel like everyone's or not. I just feel like the people who ask consistently are like just super oversized in London price action. Alright, guys, let's go on for like 15 more minutes, 10 more minutes, because this is getting very slow. What's that barcode? Yeah, Tombo, this is a very choppy session, which is kind of expected since we got news in a few hours. Back and forth. Price literally bouncing the day opening gap. Yeah, honestly, we'll probably cut this stream a little bit short since it's chopping so bad. We gotta get a AM live tomorrow as well. If you guys are new to the channel, reminder that Brian, I'm not Brian, obviously, I'm Dhesi. Brian does New York PM streams every day free. So he'll be on tomorrow for New York PM session on the same channel. So make sure you guys are tuning in for that. Cause I only do London three times a week. We might get our stop hit here. Hey, Brian. So Brian does his streams at 1 p.m. Eastern, so that's the time he usually goes live. One p.m. Eastern. Yeah, we swept this high and just right back down into the range. This 5 minutes. Not looking too good. I took ES because ES looked a little bit stronger than NQ, but it looks like NQ is actually holding up a little bit better. Martin. He's gonna drink some tea and wind down. Probably stay up though until news and stuff. Yeah, this is gonna hit. Probably stop here. My stop's almost about to get hit. 54 is my stop on this. Yeah, it did. It just kept failing. Yeah, you're like you said at that high. Did we get stopped out? About to. It just had no strength at these highs, which is interesting. This is why the New York's been or London's been kind of just iffy today with news in a few hours. But we kept size small. It's not. It's a paper cut on the count. You know, we had equal lows down here, which is, man. What I really initially wanted was like this. Oops. Like maybe this candle here would have swept, and then we got some SMT, but that never happened. It looks like it's gonna go for it now. Yeah, that should be a stop right there. All right, I got stopped out. Minus 173 on the counts tonight. That's the only trade I'm gonna take for London. Let's get easy. Not every night. Only 3 times a week for streams. The Apex stop offering. Yeah. I don't think they offered 75K. Oh my god, here comes. Chat is on one tonight, bro. I think we got a lot of unprofitable people in here, with all due respect. Bro's rage baiting so hard. I'm not gonna lie, that made me laugh. The just quit made me laugh. I'm not even lying. That was pretty funny. I'll give him that. That was pretty funny. See, bros that just quit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I did, Nick. I did. That's funny. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, we literally got hit at the bottom. Oh my god, bro. Dude, chat is comedy, bro. Dude, I don't know. Chat has been kind of toxic. I took 3 losses in New York this week for AM. And like before that, I was like probably on like a 15 win streak. And dude, everyone does one loss. It's like the end of the world. It's crazy. Like you guys are trying to rage bait the wrong person, bro. Because I honestly like I'm like unrage baitable. I honestly don't care. With all due respect. You don't care losing money? No, cause I make like 50K a month, bro. You think I give a fuck about losing 250 on each account? With all due respect, bro. With all due respect. I've taken look. Here's the thing. I've taken more losses in my life than people even taking trades. Right? It's part of the game. So I like losses literally don't affect me at all. Like the loss emotional control is just so easy. Yo, Night. Fun fact. I don't even have a code, bro. I just promote Brian's code. So if I wish I had that Patrick Wheelan affiliate money, bro. The fuck. Like YouTube money. Why are you messaging me to try and sell your private course, dude? You guys are so weird. You guys are so weird. Yeah, actually, I'm trying to give you guys like bad signals, so like you guys can use the code after, you know. Duh. Bro, I made fucking $38,000 just today, just in New York stream or session alone. I haven't posted shit on. I made $38,000 on my FFF accounts. I made $8,000 on my Apex accounts, and I made $4,500 on my Tradeify accounts. I just didn't post them on social media because I could care less. I made 1,000 per on Apex. I made 1,500 per on Tradeify, and I made 17,000 each on my FFF accounts. Everything's done in real time, bro. You prefer IFEG entries? Yeah, I don't really like. I like if there's a like a 5 minute gap or something. I'll wait for the like tap into the 5 minute and then like I'll take a 1 minute out of that. No, Tom, I'm not really, dude. Look, if they want to be toxic, bro, I could be toxic right back. But the thing is, bro, when they're toxic, they're broke. I'm toxic and rich, with all due respect. If this was my personal live stream, oh my god, I'd be cooking chat right now. But since it's not, um, out of respect to Brian's channel, I don't. It's Can you just see a money spread? Where's the monopoly money at? Mellow, yeah, it's still holding. Outlander, I'll probably do like on 50K. I'll probably do 2-3 minis and just get like hopefully like 85, 100 points, which I think that would be pretty valid. I got stopped out by like one tick, I think. Yeah, literally one tick. Oh, you took on NQ. No, I don't think you could trade news on top stuff funded, right? Or like I think you can, but they'll kind of crack down on you. I wouldn't trade any funded accounts, guys, on news. It's just like not high probability, in my opinion. No, I'm sending bracket orders both ways, whichever gets triggered. Yeah, Asia High is gonna get taken. If Asia High is left and we have NFP, obviously I'm gonna be long biased, but I think we're gonna take it out before. We'll probably go here in the next hour or so. Before this 4-hour candle closes. I still think we push to Asia High. Jagger, the issue is a lot of people they trade for rent money or like to survive. If you're poor in trading, with all due respect, I always tell this anywhere, like that's not gonna work. It's just not gonna work because trading is already hard enough, as it is. But there's so much pressure that's put um, on you as a trader when you're trading and you're trying to, make money for rent, food, whatever. Because it genuinely turns into gambling at that point. I honestly don't know where NFP goes. We've obviously took out all of our weekly targets for now, right? This is the main area of sell side. We ripped through that. It's kind of no man's land on the weekly down here, but the daily, let's see, we're in some daily fair value gaps. So if we do get a bounce in this model, it should be tomorrow, in my opinion. I think we're good enough for a. We have this here, right? I think this is a good area for a bounce, just like a small relief, maybe like a pop in the morning and the sell off. This is the kind of I'm looking at. Like tomorrow could be like an aggressive move up early and then kind of chill. But we took out all of our weekly objectives and it's Friday, so TGIF is on the table potentially. All time highs? I don't think all time highs on NQ. How much have you dropped from the top? Like over 10%? No, not 10% yet. Or is it ES? Let's check NQ. I think it's 10%. Yeah, so 10%. I think the lows that on NQ eventually going to get hit are these down here. This would be ideal. Like another 5%. Like a 16% pullback would be very nice. 16, 17%. Obviously, anything lower than that, we're cooked, but this would be good here. And then obviously, I want this here as well into this daily gap. That should be interesting. I was comfortable shorting pretty much all week, but now kind of we cleared our areas of liquidity. It's kind of like, okay, we have to kind of wait and see if we got to violate these daily gaps, and then we can play lower. But I wouldn't just keep aggressively trying to short this. Obviously, every sell model, right? We leave a lot of low resistance liquidity behind, so when the buy model does start back, or no, kind of start again, it'll be very quick. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up the stream there. Appreciate you guys tuning in. New York session PM. Brian will be on. If you guys are interested in watching that. NFP tomorrow. Don't do any dumb shit. If you guys are good on green on the week, maybe just trade some evals. If you guys are red, I really would not put too much size on. Weekly objectives have been hit already, so it could get a little bit, choppy and things like that. So make sure you guys are protecting yourself at that price section. All right. Peace and love, guys. Have a good night.